Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change theme in Google Play Store, and now let's dive right in. Now to change theme in Google Play Store, first open up your Play Store app on your phone. After opening your Play Store app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us. At the top right, tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. And on this interface, you can see the settings option available for us at the bottom of the screen, just above the help and feedback. Tap on settings. And again, on this interface at the top of the list, there is the general option available for us. Tap on the general option, and when you tap on the general option, this kind of interface will appear where you can see the theme option available for us. Now, in order to change the theme in Google Play Store, tap on that theme option, and you can see, guys, there are basically two, but with the system default there are three themes available for us. One is the light, one is the dark, and one is the system default. So if you want to change theme to dark or light mode or the system default, you can choose from over here, and after that tap on OK, and then your theme on your Google Play Store will be changed. And with that being said, guys, this is how to change theme in Google Play Store. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.